So this is the first one complete, the first one of two, for the benefit of all the bird life here around the monastery grounds. And we've still got some small space for mantras. And we have Rinpoche making recitations, and the Sangata Sutra, Golden Light Sutra, and recitations for animals. Everything else, that's on a loop on a Bluetooth speaker. So 10 hours the battery says, so I can recharge it during the night. And so the birds have a nice drinking and bathing area with these wonderful mantras on crystal to purify the water and bless the water, so all the birds can benefit from the blessings of that. And I did two different levels, so like some birds prefer a little deeper water, some birds prefer more shallow water. Then we have some fat balls, and then we have some nesting materials. I just selected some different materials, see what they prefer, see what goes first, and then I'll just restock with that. And then we have some different seeds. Again, I'm just testing to see what goes fastest. This one's, yeah, I don't know, I can't remember that wheat. This one's oats and crushed cornflakes. There's plenty of bird seeds and such things. And so we see which one goes first. This area is still to be, so I can put food or there, still to be decided. So still got some space here for mantras. Also here I thought put some more here, and then also I thought something nice across here. So that's still to be done, but I'm very happy it's out, and all we need now is the birds to understand that it's the best place they can eat, and they can come and enjoy and take all the benefits of all this wonderful Dharma and the recitations they'll be exposed to. So let's we can rejoice in that, I think. Yeah.